a Saturday morning. Back in the market we go. You look on the price of food in the supermarket, it don't make no sense. You know? But you put on a mask and make sure you roll the sanitizer and take on the market. You know what I mean? Oh, look on those papayas. Pretty. Everything in our market. Everything I can think of is here. Forward late still sun hot. Jaja. Security on deck. Good sweet potato. Local onion and tomato. No. Market. Very colorful.
Alright, you hear do? I tell you if you not going to everything my way. Let me watch you chopping that face.
The good thing them. When you want the good thing them, come on market for the good thing them. The good thing them, the good thing them. Don't go market for the good thing them. You want the good lettuce them, come on market for the good lettuce them. So me say tell me why you need and tell me why you need that. Tell me na the market we have the lettuce and the pop chai for $100. Eh?
You're watching this for me.
Wow, go on, rich boss. See you them outside.
Yeah, man, no joke.
How much a dozen?
200. Cut off this?
Yes.
Yeah. Ah, nice, you know. Yeah. Give thanks, yes. Alright. Morning, beautiful people. Good night, good afternoon, wherever you are tuning in across the world. Listen, my brethren sent me that song. I said, what kind of song this? Me hear it, because I meet it, before me listen to it, I start to judge the song already. And I listen to the song, you know, Shaggy and Chronics. We should never burn that bridge. I said, Jah knows, a meditation. A lot of times we out there, you know, people, and because Jah shine him light for me and a little thing I go on, we get cocky, we get narcissistic and egotistical and rude and disrespectful when it comes towards dealing with people. You know what I mean? I tell you, them say no matter what I go on for in a life when you see things look good and nice. Seeing remain civil, display good humility at all times. Display humility at all times. If you don't know the I don't know, I'm not subscribe to the word humble. Yeah, if you want to know what humble means, you go and look it up and see what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, deal with people with respect no matter what level they are at or where you think society put them based off socio-economic status and levels. Deal with people with respect. Appreciate, love people. You know what I mean? Too much of we out there going like say we are nothing. We are nothing, you know? Flesh and bone. We are nothing. Yeah, man, just keep it nice and just deal with love, man. The man where you see on the road, I sell him little thing them, or I push him card, whatever the case may be, deal with people with respect. Anyway you want people to treat you, you treat them the same. If you can't understand, if you can't comprehend, you can't get it. Anyway you want people to treat you, you treat people the same way. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I just love and blessings and honor man.
Some fight every
Now listen to that song.
we rise to the top, cause we know
Hear what the man has said.
through it all we survive.
But
Still hold the faith, unchangeable, Lord unchangeable.
what I'm saying, no matter
How
what.
the dollar might stack up, me still not change. Me I go stay rough.
Walk
Be
in.
giddy and you have to buckle up your lace. Be smart, don't be a gruff now. No. Life it's a journey, it's
Life is a journey. And no matter what I go on, because I guess yo, more time, you know, even the most positive people, the most, well I say no person where when you look into life, boy, you just see the positive outcome. The person who not see the cup as half empty or half full, but him glad say him have a cup. You understand? No matter, you could be that person. Everybody have a breaking point. Or a point where you just feel your lowest. You know what I mean? So, people out there who, you know, you might have some positive people around you. Because this is a thing, you know. People feel a way in themselves because you have some people who are going through certain things, but they keep it positive. And the positivity makes some people feel one type of way. Listen, hey, everybody go through them little fears. You understand? It is okay to not feel okay. You can't feel jiggy and positive and nice and everything merry every day. You understand? No, you're not gonna feel like that every day. So the days when you don't feel that type of way there, you don't be hard on yourself, man. Go easy, don't be too hard on yourself, go easy. Because every day not gonna be the same, you understand? Yeah man, in a real life, man. Say, we start out this channel and say, life, every day in the life of Dante. Oh my God, so fuck up. Can't even say fuck up. My virgin never listen this time, I'm going to say my glass look fuck up up here. Why? My glass look frost up, so. Yeah, so we start this channel and I say, boy, life, you know, everyday life in Dante's life, you know, every day in the life of Dante, and come like a be inspirational thing. But anyways, I can't stage content, you know, I don't know, I feel fool. But when certain things come to me, you know, I just pick up my phone and make a little recording, you know what I mean? And hopefully say it make a difference in somebody's life, some way, somehow, but in a positive way. So, I drive a while ago and it's just a little thing that has been resounded with me. You know, I've been encouraging persons, and it has to do with self-awareness. Yeah? So here we know. A lot of times we are in some toxic situations around some toxic people, and you know, every single arrow, everything indicates, everything points to the person or the situation. We say, boy, toxic, you know, and we blame them and we cuss them and we say, yo, them people, yeah, them need for change and them need for this and them need for that. But guess what happens? Really and truly, we can't change people, you know, we can't change situations. The only thing we can do is adjust, or we choose to respond to certain things and not react. You know? The more some things go on and we just jump on it right away. We react rather than respond. You know? So in a situation it might mean that, you know, you have to put your ego aside. Because you might be right, you know, fully right. But you have to put your right aside to kind of skew the situation to where you want it to be. You know? But you ask yourself, what can you do in the situation? Or what can you do to deal with this toxic person? Even when them all the way right through at them, you know? Yeah, man, you have to ask yourself, what can you do? And sometimes, I tell you, it's hard talking from personal experience. When you have to say to yourself, say, boy, what can I do? I said, John, what do you mean? But guess what? You can't change people. And we can't change situations, but we can choose how we respond to these people and these situations. And I can't tell you exactly what to do, everything, what to do, all the details in this little video. So you see, self-help, self-work, self-development is something that we have to take on. Yeah, man. Follow some inspirational people, watch some inspirational videos, you know, listen to persons. Follow my YouTube channel, you know what I mean? You know, I got the juice right here. And I can't say that, nobody bother with the why business again, you know, man. Yeah. But anyways, the people, yeah, man, as one of my very good friends would say, let us respond and not react. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, man. Bro, the friggin' one way. Can't wait. Clot up in one car where somebody again apply to come out. Cannot wait. Watch it. Eh? Can't wait. Broken the blasted one way because you can't wait.
Things that he preaches, I wonder who taught him to preach. Teacher is teaching.
Eh?
Where did he get his degree? Now it is no mystery.